TradingView has become one of the most powerful platforms for traders looking to analyze markets and make informed decisions. The right indicators can make all the difference, providing clear insights into price action, trends, and potential entry and exit points. Among the best TradingView indicators, a few stand out for their reliability and versatility. The moving average, in its various forms, remains a cornerstone for traders. Simple moving averages and exponential moving averages help identify the overall trend and potential support and resistance levels. They are effective in all markets and time frames, offering a clear visualization of market momentum. Combining different periods can reveal trend strength and potential reversals. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is another essential indicator. It measures the speed and change of price movements, identifying overbought and oversold conditions. Traders use RSI to anticipate potential price reversals, confirm trends, and avoid entering positions at unfavorable moments. Bollinger Bands provide a dynamic view of volatility. By plotting upper and lower bands around a moving average, they indicate periods of high and low volatility, helping traders anticipate breakouts or consolidation phases. They are especially useful for swing trading and day trading. Volume indicators are equally important. On-balance volume and volume profile show the strength behind price movements, helping confirm trends or warn of potential exhaustion. A surge in volume often precedes significant price moves, giving traders an early advantage. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, combines trend and momentum analysis. By tracking the relationship between two moving averages and the histogram, it signals potential entries and exits with clarity. These indicators, when combined and properly applied, can give traders a significant edge. Consistent use with risk management strategies can improve decision-making, reduce emotional trading, and increase profitability. Mastering these TradingView indicators transforms raw data into actionable insights, giving traders confidence in every trade.